Do you want to generate more traffic and get more lead for your business? In this video, I want to share with you 2 ways you can do to generate traffic. And in marketing, there are always 2 schools of traffic generation. The first one is organic traffic. The second one is paid traffic. So what are the differences, right? So organic traffic are the traffic from your content. So it can be from maybe your YouTube video, maybe your blog, maybe your courses, right? Maybe your ebook, right? So you publish content and you put it out there, and people will see it. And if you have a link on your content, they will go to your site. So that's one way you can use to generate traffic. So some people will call it free traffic. I don't like to call it free traffic because it's actually not free, right? You have to hire someone to do that for you, or you have to pay with your own time. So it's not free at all, right? Another one is paid traffic, which means the traffic from maybe Google ads. So it's a traffic from ad. You have to pay to get that. So it's Google ads, is YouTube ad, is Facebook ad, is Yahoo ad, things like that. There's so many ads here. So they will charge you based on the clicks, right? So they will say, hey, it's $1 per click, or it's $2 per click, right? So they will, and you have to pay every time someone click on link, or sometimes after they see it for how many times, right? So it's all based on click or impression, right? So if you are new to business, maybe you don't have budget or you don't have idea